Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're playing at Precinct 13 in Walsall near Birmingham. This is the first and only site up north. First time ever playing it. Really enjoyed it. Great little CQB site. It's a top floor of a shopping mall that they've converted with little shops and everything else, including a jewellery store with a massive safe in the back. What was a fun game mode. Really enjoyed it. Loads of tight corners, loads of flanking opportunities, and a few little spawn traps as well. So hope you enjoy this video. Smash that like button and let me know what you guys think. Hit the man. How far? Yeah. Through the door crack. You hit? I didn't want to shoot you if you... Oh, you're red. Sorry, dude. Sorry. Huh? Red? You're red, yeah? Red. Yeah. Go on, mate. Yeah. No. Ricochet. That was a ricochet. Hit! Fucker! Didn't check my corner. Dead man! Oh. One on that door. Crossed. Go. 4 of them. That was blind fire. I'm out. I'll slide it. Senior one coming up. Yeah. Crossing, right to left. Huh? Huh? In the middle. You can go use it if you want.
Well, I can't really go too far because I've got your max.
Sorry, mate. Shot him twice in the head. Oh. Sorry, dude.
Celia, that's such a disgusted laugh.
Mac. Yeah. I'll trade that as a trade. Yeah, well done. Dead man, coming out. Nice try, guys. Dead man. Nice luck, Stevie. Get used to it. Should we, what we're going to try and do, hold this room? Yeah. Cool. I might watch the front door. Do you want to try and watch the back, Kaylee?
Yep.
Good girl. Got you trained well. You're going to go that side, yeah?
Yep.
Cool. I'll go down here near the front, and I'm going to pop them as soon as I come through this door.
Ready?
Free. Team free. Footsteps, voices left. Here we go. Clay, you got that covered, yeah? Sweet. Hit. Dead man. Dead man. Hit.
One.
That was a trade, mate. Okay.
Sorry?
Dead man.
Sorry?
That's fine. We both hit each other. That's fine. Sorry, dude. I wasn't being an ass. That's cool. Dead man.
Three.
Thank you. Hit. Dead man.
Nice trade, Michael.
Thank you. Hit! Mag out.
Ready?
Free. Hit. One. One. Yeah, back inside. Okay. Free. Free. Sorry, didn't realise. Free. Free. Number 3.
That's our team.
That's our team. Number 3. Free. Number 3. Free. I think we've dominated. Where's Stephen and that?
Right, guys, move on.
Come on, let's go. Come on, Stephen, we're coming for you.
Come on!
Number 3, cool. I'm gonna go this way. Come this way, Kelly, come this way. Did you hit them? Thank you. He's been hit. What? Free. They're free, team 3. Team 0. Medic! 3, get. Team 3. What team are you, mate? What team? Team 3. Yeah, cool.
I don't know how much I can play, but I went.